Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaitlyn and today I'm going to show you how to make my delicious bakery style chocolate chip banana muffins. And I'm going to show you how to make them gluten-free and dairy-free like mine. And if you want to help my channel grow, subscribe and hit that like button. Now we're gonna start with a large mixing bowl and we're going to mix our dry ingredients together. I have 2 cups of flour. I'm using gluten-free flour because everything I make on my channel is actually gluten-free, but if you want to use regular flour, you can use that too. And we're going to sift that into the large bowl. Sifting the flour helps to keep everything light and airy so you have a nice fluffy muffin. It also ensures that everything is completely combined together. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I know that seems like a lot, but this is how we get that sky-high, beautiful bakery style muffin. So we're gonna add that into our sifter and we're also gonna add that to our flour. Next, we're gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And now we're going to put our dry ingredients to the side and we're going to grab another large bowl and we're gonna mix our wet ingredients. So I'm gonna start out with our 2 room temperature eggs because when we're making muffins, you want all your ingredients to be at room temperature. Now that we have our eggs in the bowl, we're going to give them a little whisk. This is so they're fully combined with all of the other ingredients. So next, we're going to add our bananas. And the key to banana bread is having overripe bananas. You want them to have some brown. So if you have some bananas laying around that you're not gonna eat, this is the perfect time to make any kind of banana bread or banana muffins. You want them to be overripe like this. So I'm gonna start adding them in. I'm gonna be using 4 for this recipe. I have also made it with 3 instead. So if you only have 3, it's totally okay. You can still make this recipe. And now we're going to mash our bananas. You wanna use something like a potato masher or you could use a fork. And you can really do this to your taste. Some people don't like to see the bananas in banana bread or banana muffins at all. So you can tailor this to whoever you're making it for. My husband doesn't like to have chunks of banana, so I'm gonna do a good job at mashing this up for Christian. Now that it's a nice creamy consistency, we're gonna add 3/4 cup of brown sugar. I like using dark brown sugar because it has more of a caramelized molasses taste, but you could use light brown sugar if you want to. By the way, if you guys like seeing me on camera like this, let me know in the comments below. I don't know if you guys prefer the overhead or you like to see me, but this is for you, so let me know what you want. Next, we're also going to add our butter. This is 8 tablespoons of vegan butter because I'm dairy-free. You could use a regular butter, but this is my favorite brand for dairy-free butter. It's called Earth Balance, and they sell it in the sticks too, so it makes it really easy. It's measured out just like regular butter, and it has the tablespoons on the side. So we're going to be adding 8 tablespoons or 1 stick of softened butter. It's important that this butter is soft and room temperature so it combines evenly and it's gonna make the perfect texture for our muffins. And now using a whisk, we are going to beat the butter into the mixture. You could also melt your butter if you like, but I like to do it with mine softened. We're also gonna add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix together. Now, if your mixture looks chunky like this, it's totally okay. There's bananas in there. Now we're gonna add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. So I'm just gonna make a little well here in the middle of the dry ingredients. And then we're gonna pour in our banana mixture. Now using a spatula, we're gonna mix the ingredients until it's around 90% combined, because remember, we're also gonna be adding our chocolate chunks and we're gonna be mixing for that. So we don't want this to be over mixed. The batter should be nice and fluffy. And now it's time for our chocolate chips. I'm actually using chocolate chunks. Oh, there's an ant on me. That's not going in. These are actually dairy-free and vegan too. I actually chopped mine up because I wanted them to be a little smaller, but you could use chocolate chips too. And we're not gonna add all of these. We're gonna save about a handful because we want to decorate the tops of the muffins before we bake them. So we're gonna pour around 3/4 of our cup of chocolate chips. And we're just gonna gently fold those in to the mixture. Now that our mixture is combined, we're going to get our prepared muffin tin. I've already buttered and floured it, so it's good to go, but you could use baking cups if you like. Now we're gonna fill our muffin pan. I'm using a large ice cream scoop, and we're going to fill our muffins to the top because we want that nice, beautiful, tall muffin like the bakeries. And really the ice cream scoops make the best size for these muffins. Now this recipe usually makes around 12 muffins. I have 11 this time because bananas are always different sizes. Mine were kind of on the small side, so I have 11 muffins. And now we're gonna top them off with some more chocolate chips. Now we're gonna go place these in the oven at 425 for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna turn down the temperature and we're gonna turn it to 350 and bake for 20 minutes. And there you go, my delicious chocolate chip banana muffins. These are so moist and they look just like the ones you'd find at the bakery. You are going to love these. I hope you share these with all your friends and family. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you make these babies, comment down below. Also, let me know if you guys want to see more of me on camera or if you like the overhead view. And I hope you share these with all your friends and family. I love you guys, and I will see you next time.
Best muffin I ever had in my life.
Are you serious? Mm-hmm. Oh, yes.